Percy the Parrot and the Jungle Jamboree. In the heart of a vibrant jungle filled with tall trees and colorful flowers lived a cheerful parrot named Percy. Percy had the most brilliant feathers, shining in hues of red, blue, and yellow. Every morning, Percy would greet the day with a joyful song, his melodious voice echoing through the jungle. His song was a signal for all the animals to wake up and start their day.
La 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 la. Everyone a come and we should have fun. La 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 la.
One sunny day, Percy found a glittering golden leaf on his favorite perch. On it was written an invitation to a jungle jamboree, a grand party for all the jungle animals. Percy had never been to a jamboree before and was excited to attend. Percy wanted to look his best for the jamboree. He preened his feathers, making them even more dazzling. He practiced his best songs and even made a special necklace from jungle berries. As the sun set, Percy arrived at the jamboree. The clearing was filled with twinkling lights, and animals from all over the jungle were dancing, singing, and playing music. Percy was amazed by the festive atmosphere. Percy was invited to perform. With a heart full of excitement, he sang his favorite song.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground.
His voice was so enchanting that all the animals stopped to listen. It was the highlight of the night. After his performance, Percy met a shy little parrot named Pippa. She admired Percy's courage and asked him to teach her how to sing. Percy happily agreed, and they became fast friends. As the jamboree came to an end, Percy and Pippa flew home together under the starry sky. They were tired but happy, excited for their future adventures and new songs to sing. The next morning, Percy and Pippa greeted the day with a beautiful duet, their voices harmonizing perfectly. The jungle awoke to their song, and all the animals knew that a new day of fun and friendship awaited.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
with me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip
see you
into
smile,
the
it's
sand,
my
dream
only
that
dream.
I'm with you. Staring out into the sea,
with me,
waves come crashing up to me.
soaring.